So what we have to do is follow the direction of the conventional current, which is going to come from the positive lead of the battery. So I'm going to trace it in red here. And then look really carefully at the diagram of what the wire is doing when it gets to this green cylinder. So it looks like the wire is going behind the green cylinder and then coming out and wrapping back out in front of it, and then going behind it again, and coming back out and wrapping in front of it again. So the key thing is the conventional current is looping. It's looping behind it to start off with. So that's what that's the direction I'm gonna make my fingers go. My fingers are gonna make circles around this green thing such that they're going to dig into the page above the green thing, wrap around the green thing, and come back out of the page at the bottom of the green thing. Okay, so my fingers are going into the page here, out of the page here, into the page here, out of the page here. So that's what my fingers are doing with my right hand. So when I do that and I ask which way does my thumb stick out afterwards, my thumb is pointing out to the left. So that means the magnetic field inside the solenoid is to the left.